Hi, Shan here from Göteborg, Sweden. I love the Pipspredator. The reason is simple. First of all, it's based on mathematics, logics, and it works. Of course, it doesn't work all the time, and this is what Alpesh tells you from the very beginning. Please do read the lectures given to you before you start. I love it. I'd gladly recommend the Pipspredator because it works, as I said before. It's well proven. You combine it with the lectures plus the daily telegrams and contact Alpesh. It's a lifetime session.